Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another POV. Today we are going to be rocking with the Canon M50 as usual, but we're going to be using the nifty 50, the 50mm 1.4 f-stop. So yeah, we're going to get into this video. We're going to be going through parts of Brooklyn and going through the Manhattan Bridge. Get some nice shots over there. It is freezing cold today. Freezing. So with that being said, for me doing this video, go ahead and like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks. All right, let's get into this video. Bro, look at that lighting. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Alright, we're gonna do 1/500 of a second, f-stop at 4.0, and ISO 125. Nice. I like this. This tree right here to create depth. I like this shot. Oh, that's nice. Let's angle it perfectly. I like that shot. That's beautiful. Oh god, I love Brooklyn. Yeah, but I've been doing a lot of shots in Manhattan and most of the POVs. One of my best performing videos on this channel right now is the Brooklyn street photography. You guys seem to like that video a lot, so I thought maybe I'd do another one today. Well, I mean, this is probably gonna be like I will say like a half Brooklyn and Manhattan shoot, because the Manhattan Bridge is right over there. So we're about to go across the bridge, and actually we're gonna see if we can get some shots along the bridge if we can. Yeah, we're gonna see what we do. But yeah, with that being said, I really do appreciate the love that you guys are showing to me on the content I've been creating. You know, like I never had a really big fear of like putting things out, like creatively wise, like art, videos, photos, whatever. I didn't really have a shame of it, because you're always gonna have critics. You're always gonna have people who are just gonna say, oh, it's a terrible job, it's a terrible video, I don't like it. But then you have other people who actually do love and adore your videos, and they'll give you insights of like how to make it better, X, Y, and Z, this, that, and third. And for those who do show me that kind of respect, I really do appreciate you guys, I really do. And also, I didn't forget either that we've crossed 50 subscribers. I know I'm kind of late because I think we're at like 60 something right now. But I actually am really thankful and grateful to all of you guys for showing so much support to the channel. You know, I'm never gonna forget my day one people. It doesn't matter if it's 50 subs, 100, 1,000, 50,000, or one day if I get 100K, you know. Hopefully, if that ever happens, I get 100,000 subscribers. Like, that's gonna be so special. But I'm telling you right now, nothing is so special than the ones who were in the beginning, and that's you guys. So, guys, I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I really do. You guys show so much love to me, you know, and always being honest critiquing my videos, always giving me insights, you know, saying that you guys love the content, you know. And that's what I'm here for, you know. I'm not just making content just to get subscribers. I'm not doing YouTube for the money. I'm doing it because I actually love doing this. I really do love creating. And that's why I'm on this channel. And I hope to one day inspire each and every single one of you guys just to continue to create, just to be yourself and just create, you know what I'm saying? Because not all of us are the same artists. We're not going to be the same artists. We're not going to create the same type of art that everybody else is doing. Just be yourself. There's no such thing as bad art. There really isn't. Can you improve on it? Absolutely, you can. You can improve on it. But just understand that your art is who you are. Because what you create is from yourself. Thank you. Whew. All right. Cool. Got a few great pics of in Brooklyn. Actually, I like this light here. I like how it's. Love this light. Hold on, let me get this up real quick. It's pretty dope. I like it. Center that. Love it. Love it. Like 3 o'clock right now. 3:24 right now. So that is kind of early for golden hour. I like this shot. Hold on. I like this depth here. Let me bump up the. Yeah, there we go. I like that. Step back. I want to get the fence in the frame here. Be a little more creative with this. See how this looks. All right, hold on. See how that looks. Very nice. I love that. Oh, this is a nice shot. Hold on. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. I want to get it centered. Come on. A little bit more. A little bit more. There we go. Oh, that's nice. With the sun flare, oh, that's so awesome. I love that. That's a great shot. Yo, let me tell you guys something. When you live in New York as long as I lived, the sidewalk doesn't even care. I don't care about the sidewalk anymore. See, I'm in the street. I'm in the middle of the road right now. So, because people don't know how to walk on the sidewalk. So, if you're a New Yorker, you know exactly what I mean. There we go. Nice. That was at ISO 125th, f 4, shutter at 1/100 of a second. Cool. I kind of want to get one more shot before I end the video. What can I get? Ooh, I think I see it. I see what I want. Let's see if I can get it through these tree branches. Let's see. This upper shutter a little bit more. The 250 is good. Yeah. It's gonna be kind of tricky to get this shot. Let me see. Let's see. Okay, I think this is good. Let's get a little more frame. There we go. 500. Yeah, there we go. 400. Awesome.